Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable snap layouts on Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, Settings. Now guys, underneath System, click on Multitasking, and here you will see option Snap Windows. Snap Windows to automatically resize and arrange them into layout like if you turn on, so it will arrange automatically. And if you turn off, so you can maximize and minimize, and you can keep any size anyway. So this is the way guys you can enable and turn on Snap Windows in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.